Hey my little minnows, this is Jamie with Masco Crafts, and I spied with my little eye a new gourd. This is a caveman gourd that's in a blackjack or black oak in my mom's front yard. Let's see if I can find it again now that it's on video. Oh, it's always that, huh? Let's see, where did it go? Plus the sun's coming, breaking the... There it is. This is called a caveman gourd. They get approximately, they can get up to like 4 feet long. There's that one there. And that's how far it is. Well, that's how far it is from the ground. There's another one over here that's that dropped loose. So, but yeah, this is one. Oh, there's another one up there. Okay. Yeah, there's another one up there. Awesome. This was from one seed that got misplaced. So that goes to show what Mother Nature can do. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, there's the other one. Where'd it go? There's another one up in here somewhere. I'm just gonna find it. I can see it, but I can't see it on the camera. Okay. There's that hole straight across. It's back in there. Right there it is. Nope. It's in there somewhere. Right there. You can see the stalk of it. But they are supposed to turn into those.